Hello there. Welcome back to my channel, Why to Fear. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how you can create a highly professional YouTube video in just 5 minutes using Pictory. Additionally, I'll walk you through all the features of Pictory that you can utilize to enhance your automatically generated video even further. Let's jump right in. First, open an account in Pictory, then go to Script to Video section. Go to ChatGPT and request a story for a video. I will use the topic "Write a Story on YouTube's Journey" as an example. So, my story is ready now. Let's copy and paste it to Pictory. Select Auto Highlights and Auto Visuals to automatically identify highlighted words and choose matching visuals. Now, we need to choose a template. Before doing that, give your video a name and then proceed. Here, you can find numerous templates. Choose the one that suits your preferences. Once you're finished, Pictory will begin creating your video. Just wait a few minutes and let it complete the process. And our video is ready. As you can see, based on our story, Pictory has automatically generated scenes with our text and visuals seamlessly incorporated. Let's generate a video preview and see how it looks. Now, I will show you how you can perform optional editing on your video. Let's start with visuals. Suppose you're not satisfied with the visuals and want to edit them. Simply select the scene, then search for the visuals and choose the one you prefer. You can also add textures or your own visuals. In the audio section, you can change the background music and even add a voiceover to narrate your story.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%. Once upon a time in a world not so distant, there was a small startup named YouTube.
In the text section, you can include a heading, subheading, and body text in your video. You can also include elements such as emojis, GIFs, and stickers. In the Style section, you can modify the appearance of the text, customizing it to your preference. In Branding section, you can add intro and outro video. I will add my own intro video created. You can keep logo if you want, but I will remove it. Okay, my intro is ready. Let's create outro. For the outro also, you can either use your own content or simply find one from the visual library. Here, I will remove text but keep the logo. Let's see how it looks. Let's learn how to do some extra settings in Pictory. If you want to hide text for any scene, you can do that from here. You can include your own voiceover for any scene by either uploading it if you already have or recording it directly. And you can also remove it if you don't want it. If the visual is long, you can trim it to make it short. These are some more settings related to visuals. There is also an option to mute the background music or voiceover for any scene. You can insert custom scenes at the beginning, end, or in the middle of the video. Example, I added this scene. I will write a word and Pictory will automatically pick the visual for me. Now, let's download the video and see how it finally looks.
Once upon a time in a world not so distant, there was a small startup named YouTube. Founded by 3 former PayPal employees in February 2005, Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Jad Karim, this little company would soon change the way people consumed and shared video content forever. Content uploaded by users, share their voice with the world. In November 2000, including copyright, later rebranded as YouTube Premium, Music, and connectors for the platform, the way we entertain ourselves. So does YouTube. Ready to
And there you have it. You've just witnessed how easy it is to create stunning videos using Pictory. The possibilities are endless, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more awesome tutorials, and leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below.